The Epson PowerLite L265F Projector produces impressively bright, full, high-definition images that stay clear even in well-lit conference rooms or retail spaces. Its 3-chip liquid crystal display engine delivers consistently rich color and smooth motion that feels more natural than many single-chip alternatives. The long-lasting laser light source is effectively maintenance-free, eliminating lamp replacements while keeping brightness stable for many years of regular use. With the ability to create very large images well beyond typical flat panel sizes, it is excellent for digital signage, lobbies, classrooms, and wide meeting rooms. Built-in media playback, network features, and wireless casting make it easy to run content directly from the projector without relying on a dedicated computer. High dynamic contrast, flexible mounting options, and multiple modern inputs round out a versatile projector that adapts well to both professional and creative installations.